Welcome to Market Snapshot from the Incred Equities Desk. In this podcast, our expert from the Equities Research team helps you navigate the stock markets with a quick roundup on the previous day's closing, along with relevant insights.
Good morning, everyone. Yesterday was an interesting session for Nifty. At one point, it was down again, and for no reason known to us, especially when the US markets also closed higher, Nifty was seen really under pressure. It broke 23,000 momentarily. However, the swing low of 23,976, which was made the day before, that was not broken, and once that survived, we witnessed a temporary bounce back sort of coming in. Second half of trading session turned out to be good. So once the HDFC Bank came out with the numbers, Bank Nifty got a very strong push when HDFC Bank went to day's high, and since then it was positive only, and finally closing near the high point of day. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty closed near the high point of day. Bank Nifty was down almost 450 points at one point in time, and towards the end trading session it was 150 points up, so almost a 600 point covering from the lower levels was seen. Nifty also has bounced back, and another interesting aspect, 23,000 put option commands the highest Y concentration for the weekly series, and yesterday when it was trading around 23,000, the expectations were that once it sustains below 23,000 levels, or probably 22,959.60, then it may see pressure on account of put writers being forced to cover their positions. But since that did not happen, people got more confident, and the chances are that we may not see a move happening below 20,000 today, because more aggressive writing has been seen in 23,000 strike put options. US market yesterday closed positive yet another day. GIFT Nifty is, however, pointing towards 25 points cut as we speak, so in all likelihood will open on a flat to mild negative note. It may get stuck in the range. So at the end of the day, even though the bounce or the recovery from the lower levels was interesting, the overall sentiment, the overall movement remains range bound, where 23,000 is going to be the immediate support, and 23,400 spot is going to be a strong resistance area. As long as Nifty does not give a close above this, it's futile to actually play for a major upside. However, one can play for a bounce back. Risk takers can buy Nifty towards 23,050, keeping a stop loss of 23,970, and play for targets of 23,400. FIs yesterday sold around 4,000 crores worth in cash. Domestic bought around 3,600 crores in cash. So the selling by the relentless selling by FIs continues, and that is something one needs to worry about. However, their long short ratio has come down from 87% net shorts, and that has resulted in a small bounce tick yesterday as well. Any rise in that, when the long short ratio goes to 90% shorts to 10% long, that is a time where short term bottoms are being made. So let us see if it goes lower and we make a bottom or not. But for now, it looks as if we are sustaining above the 20,000 levels. That will from my side. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.